In this video, we are going to discuss about develop a forget password add-on for sign-in process. That means if you forget your password through a verification code which is sent to your email, we are going to reset your password and give you a new password. So we will see the process, and I'm going to straight away going to our code. So for to send the email to your send the verification to your email, we need these PHP files like PHP mailer, ooth.php, pop3.php, smtp.php, 1, 2, 3, 4, and exception.php. These files are needed for a verification code to be sent to your email. Now we will see our process for the forgot password. So we here in the design there's an anchor link created for forgot password. So we will see our index page and continue our work. The index page, yes. The index page in the sign in box. Here the anchor link forgot password, here it is mentioned, and we are assigning an on-click event and starting a function forgot password when we click the forgot password anchor link. So we will see our JavaScript process. Here is our forgot password JavaScript process. Here we are retrieving the email because uh, to this email only the verification code is sent to reset your password. Here also we are creating a new XML HTTP request and assigning the attribute on the stage and creating unknown function and expecting, and through the if loop we are seeing the above conditions are satisfied like ready state and status, and we print a response text for the for what is sent to our server side. If t equals with that means t response text from the server side is assigned as variable t. So if the response is equals, that means t is equals success, then the for forgot password we need a model as well. I totally forgot it. So from the Bootstrap official website I took this model and assigned for this model also I assigned IDs like forgot, and for the new password field I assigned ID NP, and retype new password I assigned IT RNP, and for verification code I assigned ID VC, and reset password for the reset password button I assigned a on click event reset password function to start. So model ends here. In this JavaScript we'll see our reset password. Before going to reset password function, we'll finish the forgot password function. So we are sending we are getting the email because we are not sending something. So for if we are getting something from our retrieving something, then we use the get method. If we are sending only, we use the post method for security reasons, because in the get method it is the data is sent binded in the URL, and we get the data from forgot password process.php, and from the email we get uh, email's value and through the others method. So we will see a forgot process file, PHP file. Here in the forgot process PHP file, we require the connection.php because for retrieving email as well as updating the password, we need our connection PHP file and smtp.php file for the email to be sent, as well as phpmailer.php, as well as exception.php. And use PHP mailer. This is for to use the PHP mailer to send the email. So if is set get equals e, email equals get e. In this, this is we are assigning a if statement, if else. I think if else statement. Then here in the email, if email get e equals, that means here get e array equals e, that means email equals get e array. Then we are searching the email from the database. If so we are expecting a result in row by row result. So if the result equals 1, then code unique id, we are expecting a here we are printing a unique id for verification code. Using this statement, we are printing or creating a unique id for the verification code. So database IUD, here we are using a insert update delete function to update the verification code column, where email equals the required or input email, retrieved email. So here we are creating a variable new mail and new PHP mailer. Here the mail host must be smtp.gmail.com because I am using gmail.com, and here this password is generated through the two-step verification code in our Gmail account, where when in the Gmail account, in manage accounts, in settings, and in privacy and security, I think you can see a field where it is mentioned two-step verification code. Wait a second, I will search from internet and show it to you. These are the steps to enable the two-step verification. Log into your Gmail account, click on your profile picture upper right corner and select manager. Follow these steps. I will slowly show it to one by one. You can pause the video and see also, or else search in Google enabling two-step verification. Using this authentication app only, we are generating a password. Here, sorry, the generate app password. In some cases, after enabling two verification case, you might need to generate an app password to use with applications that don't support two-step verification. Some email clients and devices. Here, this is the required to generate that 16 unique characters password. These are the steps to be followed. You can search in Google or pause this video and see. Okay, we'll go to our code. Okay, here then the email is sent using this email, and this is the password, and set here the email is set from this one, and reply to here the email is sent everything to everything is from one email. This email is used to send the email for the required user, where he can change the reset or change the password. So if something error happens here, then we are printing verification code sending failed, or else if everything goes right, then we print success. If email address is if email here this if this condition doesn't satisfy, then we print an echo invalid email address. If the email address is not mentioned, we print an echo please enter your email address first. As much as you can, we must input validations. Even if you have mentioned in the sign in process where the is set is used to validate the email address, as much as you can, we must input validations, so the e-commerce application will be filtered as much as it can. So then we will see the process of resetting the password. So here we have variable email, variable np, variable rnp, variable vc is used to retrieve the value from email, and here new password, reset new password, and vc. So here then updated, here it's a small spelling mistake. Here also we create a form data to send this value to this forgot.php. Sorry, reset password.php, not forgot. Here the values are sent to the reset password process.php. So if there is an response success, then print an alert your password has been updated. And hide the model. This one here, it is BM is used for bootstrap model. If it is success, then hide the model. That means close the model and print the alert your password has been updated, and window location reloaded, and reload the sign in window. That means yes, the sign in window. Or else print the T. That means if anything error happens, then the error will be printed. And here it is post or sent through post method to the reset password process.php in ajax method, and we will see our reset password process.php. Here also we require the connection.php to update the password, and here also we have some input validations for email if the email address is not written, and for if the new password is not written, please enter your new password. If the condition here it is not satisfied, then it is invalid password. If the retype password is not empty, that means if it is not written, please retype your new password. If your new password, if your retype password is not equal to your new password, then password does not match. And if your verification code is empty, please enter your verification code. And here this one is using search function. We search the email and set update the password of that email, and print success or else invalid user details. So if it becomes success, then the following here already I explained it to you, this process happens. So we will try our sign in process. Here forgot password. Here I forgot to put the email address, no, so invalid email address. Here we'll take the here this Muhammad Rahman Chandri. This is only a validated email others all are fake, that is created by me. And here I'm going to click forward password. Some time may occur to a model to appear because the verification code must be sent to it also. Some time may occur, so I'm going to type the new password. Here using this one I'm going to see the password, and here unsee the password. So the password is 0000231. Verification code, we will see the verification code. Here I have received my verification code from the eShop forgot password verification code. Here your verification code is 64. I have received my verification code. So here I am going to wait. Okay, reset password. Your password has been updated. Okay. Okay, now window relocation. The window is relocated to create the index page. I didn't mention which page must be relocated, no, so automatically it comes to the index page because the first preference is given to the index page. So I'm going to sign in through using my new password. Okay, I sign in using my new password. Here a session is created for me, and we'll see if a cookie also has been set. Yes, a cookie also has been set. So even if I sign out, you then go to the sign in page. Here the cookie has been set and sign in. Again, if now I didn't check the remember me option, or if I sign out and go to the sign in or register page, my details won't be there because the cookie has been destroyed. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.